Farouk from Qatar says, is camouflaging the truth considered to be lying? This is known in Arabic as at-ta'rid or at-tawriyah. So if someone says to me, Akhi, do you have 10 euros? And I said, Wallahi, I don't have a dime. And I don't truly have dimes, I have dollars. So am I lying? No, this is not considered to be lying. It is camouflaging the truth. And it is one of the ways of avoiding lying. So if the teacher says, do you have a phone with you? And you said, no, look, I don't have any phones, but you have it in your pocket. This is not lying because you're showing your hands. And it's best not to do it, but if you're going to get into trouble, then this is permissible to do, inshallah.